You've probably seen these satisfying product assembly videos all over social media. They're pulling in millions of views and generating huge engagement. What most people don't realize is that many of them can now be created entirely with AI. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to use Google Flow AI to create these viral videos in minutes, step by step. Before we jump into Google Flow, I've got something that will make this entire process ridiculously easy. I got this powerful master prompt specifically for this workflow, and honestly, it's the secret behind generating these viral product assembly videos consistently. The first thing you need to do is copy the entire master prompt. And when I say the entire prompt, I mean every single line. Don't skip anything and don't modify it yet. This prompt is designed to guide ChatGPT through the whole process and generate everything we need automatically. Once you've copied it, head over to ChatGPT, paste the master prompt into the prompt box and send it. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate 10 different product ideas that are perfect for these assembly-style videos. If none of the suggestions catch your attention, simply type more and it will generate another batch of ideas for you. You can keep doing this until you find something you like. For this example, I'm going with a luxury watch. To select it, simply type luxury watch into the chat and send it. Now watch what happens. ChatGPT instantly generates 3 highly detailed prompts for us. The first is a before image prompt, the second is an after image prompt, and the third is a video generation prompt. This is where things get really interesting. These aren't basic prompts with a few lines of text. They're incredibly detailed and carefully structured to produce realistic images and smooth cinematic assembly animations. That level of detail is exactly what helps us achieve professional-looking results. Let's start by creating the first image. Copy the before image prompt generated by ChatGPT. Next, open Google Flow and select Create Image. Choose your preferred aspect ratio and the number of image variations you'd like to generate. Then paste the prompt into the prompt box and click Generate. Give it a few seconds to process, and there it is. Our first image is ready. Take a look at the quality. The lighting, the materials, the reflections, and the overall realism look absolutely incredible. Honestly, this looks like something that could have been created using expensive software or a professional production pipeline. Now let's create the second image. First, I will select one of the images we just generated as a reference image. Then head back to ChatGPT and copy the second image prompt. Return to Google Flow, paste the prompt, and generate again. After a few moments, you'll get the second image. This image shows the watch completely disassembled, with every individual component separated and displayed in a clean and organized layout. And this is exactly what we need for the assembly animation. Now comes the fun part. Let's transform these images into a video. Switch over to the Create Videos section inside Google Flow. Upload the first image into the prompt area. Once that's done, upload the second image as well. With both images added, select the VO or OmniFlash video model. Next, go back to ChatGPT one more time and copy the video prompt it generated for us. Paste that prompt into Google Flow and click Generate. The rendering process usually takes about a minute depending on demand. And just like that, our video is ready. Take a look at the final result. You can see every component smoothly moving into place as the watch assembles itself piece by piece. The motion feels natural, the transitions look clean, and the overall animation closely matches the viral product assembly videos that are currently dominating social media. Now, download the video. What's even crazier is that we're creating all of this using free AI tools. No 3D modeling, no animation experience, no complicated software. Just a simple workflow powered by ChatGPT and Google Flow. And the best part is that you're not limited to luxury watches. Using this exact same process, you can create assembly videos for smartphones, cameras, gaming consoles, sneakers, cars, robots, headphones, luxury handbags, mechanical keyboards, and practically any product you can imagine in any aspect ratio of your choice. Once you're happy with the result, download the video in the highest resolution available to maximize quality. And before we wrap up, let me show you a few additional examples I created using this exact same method, so you can see just how versatile this workflow really is. As you can see, the possibilities are almost endless, and that's exactly how you can create viral product assembly videos using ChatGPT and Google Flow AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to AI Pipeline. I share the latest AI workflows, automation strategies, and viral content ideas designed to help you stay ahead of the curve. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.